Okay, this isn't working out. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor if you're new here. It is getting really close to move-in day, so I think I'm gonna start packing in this video. It's Friday the 31st of July and the tenants moved out today, so I think on Monday we're gonna get an official like move-in date. He already told us the two options would be he's gonna try to get us in on the 7th of August, which is a Friday, or the 10th, which is a Monday. And I'm really hoping it is the 7th and not the 10th, because then I would have to take off, Christian would have to take off, and I just don't want to do that because we literally just got back from like a week-long vacation not too long ago. So I would rather not do that, and I would rather move on the weekend. So I'm hoping that happens, but if it is the 7th, then we're not moving in officially until Sunday the 9th because we both have some family obligations that we have to go to. Christian has a golf tournament that we always go to every single year for his family. And then on the 8th, my grandparents, I think, are renewing their vows, I want to say, or they're just doing like a 50-year anniversary like mass thing. So we're doing that, and then yeah, on this 9th hopefully we'll move in. So I think in this video I'm going to start to pack up my dresser and my closet. I already decluttered it of just stuff that I don't wear anymore, haven't touched in like a whole year, but now I want to probably just start packing everything away in bags and bins and stuff like that, and just live out of a suitcase, because I'm pretty sure I'll most likely only be wearing like sweatshirts and lounge wear for working from home during the majority of the week, and then something nice on Saturday, and the golf outing on Friday, and then Saturday my grandparents' mass service. So yeah, I will give you guys an overview of what my room looks like right now. So this is literally what it looks like right now. It's a complete mess. I just did a Instagram haul, so definitely follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to keep up with the most recent purchases that I show you guys on there. And then if you look over here, there's a lot more stuff. So that is just the reality of what your room usually looks like when you start to pack up and move. Alright, so first I'm just gonna like get rid of all of the stuff that's on my bed so I can just start pulling all of this stuff out from my dresser. Move these to right here. And this is Christian's that I just got him. Some workout shorts. Ooh, I actually might wear these during the week. A sweatshirt. So my dresser, a lot of people ask me about my dresser. I've just put it on my Instagram story to like show the new things that I got from HomeSense and HomeGoods, and everybody loved the dresser. I love this dresser. I got it from Home Depot, but I will link it down below because it's not in stock anymore on Home Depot, but I did find it on Wayfair. So let's start going through it. Oh, this is actually my junk drawer. Everybody has a junk drawer in their house, and mine in my room is in my dresser drawer because I just didn't have anything to put in like this dresser part or this drawer, so I just stored a bunch of junk. Don't judge me. I know all of you have junk drawers, okay? So we're not gonna go through that one just yet. There's this one, which is just like basic t-shirts and stuff like that. Don't know if I will wear any of these during the week, so I'm just gonna leave these out. I'm just gonna take everything out of my dresser. So I just went and made a list of all the outfits I'm gonna wear during the week. Looks like that. And then I'm gonna go through my clothes over here, and anything that I don't have on this list, I'm gonna put in a pile to pack away. So let's get to it. Alright, so far this is the progress. This is the pile that I'm putting into a suitcase. This is the pile that's gonna start going into bags. This is sleeping clothes, workout stuff, just random socks and everything like that. So I'm gonna start putting the sleeping clothes in this bag. I think it'll fit everything, we'll see, but yeah. Perfect. It fit all my sleeping clothes. I have another Aerie bag. Aerie has come in clutch with the reusable bags. I'm gonna put my workout clothes in here, and I think I'm gonna have extra room, so I don't know what else I'll put in here.
Because of you, if you're happy, you'll feel better as well.
I'll probably just put my socks in here. Done. Okay, so this is the left side of my closet. It just looks like this. As you can tell, I really cleaned a lot of it out, like I said. So honestly, I'm just gonna take everything off the hanger and put it into more reusable bags. If I had a lot more clothes, I would just do the trash bag trick where you just put everything in a trash bag and then tie it up where the hangers are, and you don't have to hang them back up once you get to your closet. But I don't really mind putting them back on the hanger. I feel like it'll be better because I can really have it organized the way I want.
I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you.
Jackets, I am gonna do the hanger trick because I don't want to have to fold it and like have it be super bulky. So I'll leave those in here for now, but that's pretty much it with all the hanging stuff.
I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you. I'm tired thinking about you. Between my arms, I will always hold you. Don't you worry.
Okay, this isn't working out. Okay, let's put it back in the closet now. Well, I guess that's as good as we're gonna get. Okay, so definitely do it on your bed first. With it like that. Alright, so I didn't mean I actually have to live out of a suitcase. I can definitely put this stuff into my dresser and then anything I want to hang into the closet. I think what I meant was the last day that I'm here, once we're getting ready to move, all the things that I have worn throughout the week and then washed, I'm gonna throw into my empty luggage and then bring that over to the apartment. That's what I meant. So it's getting there, guys. It's getting there. I finished up the closet. Here's all like the boxes and everything. We just have some like stocked up snacks from Farmhouse Culture. Thank you so much, Farmhouse Culture. Love you guys. Some mugs. I can definitely close that box up and label it kitchen. These are the candles, drinking glasses, kitchen stuff, more kitchen stuff, bathroom and bedroom. And then this is like outdoor stuff. Underneath there's a bunch of string lights and then my outdoor candles. And then let me know how I should put those into the moving truck safely. Let me know if you guys have tips, if you guys have moved with like big mirrors and stuff. I could honestly just ask my parents because we've moved a bunch and I don't remember what they did. And that one too. And then we're bringing my bed frame. I definitely want to end up getting a actual bed frame that has a headboard, but I just kind of want to get in the space and see how everything is, see what kind of bed frame we do want, and then I'll probably order it in the fall. So I think with the sheets and stuff, I will probably have to wash them like a couple days before we do move, and then I'll just throw them into a garbage bag the day that we do move. And then my bed, I feel like, because it's going on the moving truck, it's gonna get like, I don't want it to get dirty. So I think I'm just gonna throw it into like queen size sheets that I have, like extra ones, and then on both sides. And then once we get to the apartment, I'll rip those sheets off the bed and then wash them. And then we'll have a clean mattress, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is the progress. That is the moving update. Oh, I did get the bedroom rug in. I'm actually gonna put it on the ground. I don't want to open it right now, but just like put it on the ground, like just this way, to see how, like, where it's actually gonna sit on the floor. It's 6 by 9, so it's pretty good size. But yeah, I'm very excited, guys. That is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me pack up my closet. I feel like we made progress. It feels really messy in here, so I'm probably gonna continue to like organize everything as best as I can, even though it's like a crap mess in here. And then I'm probably gonna maybe make another video of this. Me and Christian are going through his closet tomorrow, and also I gotta go through my bathroom, like skincare, makeup stuff, desk stuff, and yeah, so it's crunch time. We only have a week left, and then we finally live together. So stay tuned, subscribe if you guys want to stay updated with the whole moving vlogs, and follow me on my Instagram because I post a lot on there about moving and just home decor and stuff like that. So definitely check it out. I'll link it down below. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.